Welcome back to Investing Talk Podcast. Today we're looking at Stereotaxis, a company in the medical robotics space. And its stock, you sent us some really interesting info on its performance recently, some technical analysis, and a general company overview. Our goal is to go through all of this and pull out the most important points so you can really understand what's going on without getting lost in all the little details.
Sounds good.
So let's start with the recent stock price action. We've got reports showing a price of about $2.13. One source is even pointing at a pretty big jump, like 15.14%.
Yeah.
But then we have another source that has it closer to $1.95 and showing a much smaller increase, like 2.81%.
Yeah.
Or even a decrease of 5.13% in just the last 24 hours. What really stands out to you when you see these numbers?
Well, the first thing that comes to mind is just how much the reported price is changing in such a short time. I mean, you've got this report of a big 15% increase, but then you have others showing a decrease. This really highlights how volatile this stock is right now. It's like the market's reacting super quickly, maybe to some recent news or some trading activity.
Okay, so could this volatility just be normal market noise?
Yeah.
Or do you think there's something more fundamental at play?
It's hard to say for sure without knowing all the specifics, like what news or events might have happened really recently. It's possible that there was a positive announcement from the company, even if we don't have the details in the material you sent, and that could explain that big upward move. On the other hand, if other data feeds are showing different trading patterns, or maybe a change in market sentiment, that could be why there's a reported decline. Another thing to consider is that recent trading volume has actually been lower than its 3-month average, and that might be amplifying these price changes. When there are fewer shares being traded, even small buy or sell orders can have a bigger impact on the price.
That makes a lot of sense. Is it like the lower liquidity is acting as a magnifier for those price movements? Now, if we zoom out a little bit, we see that the stock has traded between $1.66 and $3.29 over the past year. So even with that recent positive move from one report, there's also this longer-term trend to think about. One source is showing a decrease of about 21.37% over the past year, while another one's indicating a drop of around 28.08%. This difference between those short-term gains and the bigger year-long decline, what's that tell us?
Well, this difference is really interesting. It seems like there might be times when investors get excited about the stock and start buying it again, or maybe there are just some positive news stories, but overall, the stock has been going down for the past year. That wide range we talked about earlier, from $1.66 to $3.29, really shows just how volatile this stock is. Those upward movements within a longer downtrend could be because people are covering their short positions. Or maybe it's just speculative trading. Or it could be that the market's waiting for more concrete positive news before it really starts going up again.
That's where the things get really fascinating. When we consider what Stereotaxis actually does, they work in the field of medical robotics, which one of your sources points out, is expected to grow a lot. So we had this whole sector with huge potential, yet this specific stock has dropped quite a bit in the last year. How can we make sense of those two seemingly contradictory points?
That's a great question. While the medical robotics sector as a whole might have a bright future, the performance of individual companies within that sector can be very different, even in a growing sector like this. Stereotaxis could be facing its own challenges. These challenges could be things like competition. Are there new companies entering the market? Or maybe existing companies with better technologies? Then there's the question of how quickly hospitals are adopting their specific robotic systems. Or maybe their financial performance hasn't met investor expectations, and that's putting downward pressure on the stock. Just being in a growing industry doesn't automatically mean a company will be successful.
So it's not enough to just be in the right industry. You also need to have the right product and be managing it well. Our sources also include some technical analysis. They mention a beta of 1.59. Given the volatility we've been talking about, what does that beta number tell us?
A beta of 1.59 basically means that this stock tends to move more dramatically than the overall market, for example. If the broader market goes up by 1%, we might expect Stereotaxis to go up by about 1.59%. And the same goes for downward movements. So this higher beta definitely fits with the price swings we've seen. It means the stock is likely to have bigger gains and bigger losses compared to the broader market, which makes it a riskier investment for people who don't like a lot of risk.
Right. And what about the trading volume? One source mentioned that the recent 10-day average volume is a lot lower than the 3-month average. What could that mean for someone considering this stock?
When you see a big drop in trading volume, compared to the longer-term average. It could mean a few things. It might mean that investors aren't sure about the stock, or maybe they're not trading it as actively, leading to a period of consolidation. Sometimes lower volume can also come before a big price move. With fewer buyers and sellers in the market, it might only take a small event, either good or bad, to trigger a more substantial price change. It could also just mean that investors aren't as interested in the stock now compared to a few months ago.
Okay, so to sum it all up, the information you shared shows a stock that's been moving up and down a lot in the short term, while also experiencing a longer-term decline. The technical analysis we looked at, with that beta of 1.59, confirms that this stock is very sensitive to changes in the market. We also noticed that recent trading volume has been lower, which could mean the stock is going through a period of consolidation, or maybe it's about to make a big move in one direction or the other.
Exactly. And it's important to remember that all of this is happening against the backdrop of a growing medical robotics sector. If Stereotaxis can take advantage of this growth by continuing to innovate and getting their technologies adopted by more medical professionals, there's definitely potential for it to do well in the long term. However, the stock's performance over the past year and how much it moves up and down suggests that anyone thinking about investing in Stereotaxis should really think carefully about the risks involved. This brings up an important question for you as an investor. How does this volatility and the company's recent performance fit with your own investment goals and your tolerance for risk?
We hope this look into the information you gave us on Stereotaxis has given you a better understanding of the company and the stock. There's always more to learn, and we encourage you to consider what other questions this analysis brings up. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment.